Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 9060 XT Gaming OC 8G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website. After that click on the product and then click on name of the title. And then click on support. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So NVIDIA driver, this is version, this is size, and this is date, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. After that, click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.